I made my first internet dollar, that is $7 per month, through my SaaS, mapyourideas.com. I would have earned more than that if I hadn't done these three mistakes. The first mistake, which is regarding time. As a solo developer, as a first time developer, as a solo entrepreneur, and when you don't have any experience in entrepreneurship and you start to build one application, at that time you think that you should make it robust, you should make it such that it perform well in market, and if someone or if there is a lot of load or a lot of performance issues there, you should choose the right technology. But I chose the wrong technology because I had wrong intentions. In starting, it doesn't matter because hardly you will get 5 to 10 customers. So what exactly did I do? I chose Next.js, I chose Golang, I chose database implementation without using any ORM, and then I built my own custom authentication, which was not at all good in my opinion. Because as a solo developer or as a solo entrepreneur, I should choose something which is scalable over time, where I can edit at one go, which has one code base and it has a lot of time saving elements. The second mistake, which has costed me a lot of time, that is not using any SDKs, not using any pre-built templates or something like that. I built everything from scratch using Cursor. That had been good for a resume. It would have been good for an employer, but it is not good if you are a solo entrepreneur looking to get freedom through building SaaS. And that is where choosing the right SDK comes in. I didn't plan it, I didn't know at that particular time, but right now I know there are many AI SDK libraries. Because what I did, I made WebSockets, I made custom implementation by reading the curl statements, because TypeScript has a good ecosystem for SDKs. But when it compares to Go, things are still early at this stage. And that had costed me a lot of time, and I couldn't focus on my distribution because of that. And when it comes to distribution, I would have done my launch way more better, because I know what things go viral in Reddit somehow, because some of my posts in past had gone viral. But what I did is opposite. I posted the same content everywhere, in LinkedIn, in Threads, in X, in Reddit, and in Threads I may have got my first sale, but it had backfired me on Reddit. So what are the key takeaways for you guys here? See, don't reinvent the wheel, because there are already good code available on the internet. Just go steal them, use them. The second is, you should focus more on distribution rather than development, because distribution is the king right now at the initial stages. And when it comes to development, there are many better libraries, there are many SDKs, which I will be covering in future videos. So follow along if you want to save your time in development so that you can focus more on distribution. See you and meet you on the next video.